today I'm going to do something a little bit different for my fall styling series. I thought it would be interesting to add some food into the mix as well, just to keep the content a bit diverse. Growing up, when my mom prepared meals for my brother and I, she always made the plate look pretty. And I grew up just loving to see pretty food on the plate because that makes me more excited to eat it. One thing I really love is salads. I can eat salads any time of the day, any kind of salad. I just love salad. So if you saw my fall styling series video in the kitchen, you would see that I have some black figs in this bowl here. So I want to use them up before they spoil, and I'm going to make a salad with them. Now, typically people make fig salads with arugula, but I'm not an arugula person at all. I'll eat it, but it's just not my go-to greens. My go-to greens are spinach. So I have a bed of spinach here, which I'm going to use. And then I also have some avocado. I have some feta cheese, red onion, of course my fig, and I have this amazing fig balsamic. I bought this at Home Goods, and the taste is amazing. It's like the perfect mix of like sweet and tart. And sliced up, and now I'm just going to add it to this beautiful bed of spinach. I have my onions on my spinach now, and then I'm going to just add my fig. Then I'm going to use my fig balsamic to drizzle over my salad. So here's my salad. And if you want to add some olive oil or balsamic vinaigrette, you can do so. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil as well because I just like olive oil on my salads. And there you have it, a beautiful fig salad that you can eat anytime that you want. I specifically like to have it during the fall season, so I'm going to have mine today, and I hope you guys try it out and